we're gonna go ahead and see what's gonna happen if you turn off your phone and Tello is still flying. So you guys are gonna see what's gonna happen. So we're gonna go ahead and check this out for you guys. He's still fighting with the wind. So if you do have okay, I'm gonna have it about right here because it's blowing. So if you do turn off Tello and your phone shuts off, what's gonna happen to Tello? So now we're gonna find out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just turn off my phone so you guys can see exactly what's gonna happen. So my phone is off. Now I want to know what this guy gonna do if he lost completely dead. Is it gonna fly there or is it gonna go land? It's gonna basically gonna land. So if you do lost a contact or you lost your phone or you're just separately from a GPS, this guy is gonna go ahead and probably gonna hover there and he's probably waiting for you to reconnect. But if it's not reconnecting at all, see, my phone is not even on. And then you can see what's Tello gonna do next. So we're giving about more time here. So I think what it's trying to do is want you to reconnect back to your phone. But just in case it will go low. I mean, it does make sense because if you're in the ocean or in the water, anyway guys, you don't want to fly this in the ocean or water, especially when the current is going the other way. But if you're in a swimming pool or anything like that and your phone just shut off, you still have time for you to reconnect to Tello, coming to your to Tello drone. So okay, so there's a purpose for that. So you have plenty of time to recover it. But if you're somewhere in the trees or smaller trees, you're probably just gonna go ahead and, you know, crash or something. So it's gonna hover until the battery is dead. Okay, well, that's what's gonna happen. It's basically when the battery is dead and it's gonna go down. But anyway, I'm gonna say I want to reconnect back to my phone. So I'm gonna go back to my phone, guys, and see if I can recover Tello back in my phone. So got the app, got the Wi-Fi. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and see. But you can see, even though strong wind, he still managed to stay. I mean, and now we're gonna go back and see if we recover it. See that? And then now you can still recover it, but it shows right here you got low battery anyways. So for understanding, so he's still got a chance for you to reconnect. this thing is not gonna fly away like crazy. So like me, I do extreme wind, so but anyway, you can see, and there you go. So if you reconnect back to your phone, you can actually get back to Tello. So anyway, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I really do appreciate it.